So you can see, let's see, there's a step under there. You can kind of see. And it's probably a good 3 inches higher than that step. And all the way back here. There's a couple of paint cans. It's about halfway up the second paint can. You can see one under there. Then there's this one. Whatever these were are ruined. Some other boxes with pictures and stuff like that in them. Plastic bin, some baby stuff that's now floating, and some old wood. Oh, the hot water heater. Water up to the temperature marker. And then next to it, here's the air conditioning system. That's not good. It's probably a good 6 inches deep. This one as well. Probably have to replace those filters sooner than I expected. Golf clubs, nice. Tennis rackets, bag chairs, guitar. Hey, the Christmas holder, tree holder thing is okay. Here's our luggage. Don't know if you can see it that well, but it's obviously submerged. This is the far corner of our basement, which is the highest point. And so it rarely, in 5 years, has gotten water maybe once or twice. But it is there in the corner. It looks like it's probably about 6 inches deep. So, so obviously it's pretty bad. There's a couple of lamps, basketballs, thankfully float. Not sure what's in this trunk. I think it may just be clothes. Hopefully it's waterproof, but I doubt it. It's almost up to the top of the where the water could get in. Let's see. Some old lamps. Here's some old pictures. Probably ought to see if I can get those out because I'm not sure what they are. Well, they're kind of a loss now. This couch. Oh, there is a there is a tent under there. It's a solid 3 inches underwater. Let's see, I'm stepping on it, and I'm still about 3 or 4 inches underwater. So, let's see. Some things float. That couch. Water is up to right about there, as you can see. I'm thinking we're not going to want to mess with that. It's almost up to this table, and the TV, and the cable box, and the sling box. Some more luggage that is submerged. Some an old desk. Little djembe. Oh, there's the trash can that's usually sitting next to our washer and dryer. Probably will move some stuff up here, so hopefully the waters don't get that high. Here's a couple of tables. or yeah, buffet tables. They're probably a good foot underwater. Let's see, what else do we have? There's some plastic things that I hope are still dry on the inside. Can't quite tell, but I think they are. It's mostly Christmas decorations. Oh, let's get a look at the heating and air conditioning. Can't really tell how deep that is, but I would guess at least a foot. Some things float, thankfully. And we hung up a couple of things. So those are dry. Woohoo! There's the dehumidifier. Strangely, not working. In theory, this is where the water would be pumped out. For all the good that's doing us. There's the washer and dryer. They're probably about a foot, maybe 10 inches or so deep right now in the dryer. The fridge. It looks like it's about 8 to 10 inches. Fan. Some old files or some old letters and stuff in there, so I'll probably lose those, I guess. Let me see if I can recover them, but we'll see. Hopefully something happens before it gets to all this other stuff. Tools and whatnot. So, we'll see. There's about 800 rounds of, maybe 600 rounds of ammunition and some gun stuff in there. And surprisingly it was floating earlier, so maybe it'll do okay, even with all that stuff in it. And some Christmas paper, which I think was okay earlier, not sure. So we'll see.